Okay, so here's the package from New Zealand. I mentioned in the previous video, my sister sent me a New Zealand MRE, and I also note on the outside customs declaration that she sent me some Marmite too, or what they call in Australia, Vegemite. Looks like it's going to be easiest to open this box from the bottom, because that's where there's less tape. Okay, so I'm going to read New Zealand newspaper. Do that. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Go Native 24-hour food pack, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Vegetable curry, I guess, is the main course. Okay. See what else she put in there. Frooze Balls. Frooze Balls. You got it right there. Frooze Balls. Peanut butter, and maybe they have chocolate on them. No, they don't. You can see them through the little window there, maybe. Little balls of peanut compote. Frooze Balls. This must be some kind of lemon. I can't read the label. It's lemon. It says lemon. Well, they look the same as the other ones, but they have some kind of lemon flavor. That's pretty cool. And here we have a jar of Vegemite, or Marmite. They call it in New Zealand, Vegemite in Australia. That's pretty cool. This is made from, when they get done with the yeast, when they're making beer, this is what they do with it. They make this stuff. So, cool enough. So there we have it. Holy cow. It cost her a pretty penny to mail that to me. I just sent somebody in England a prize that they won in one of my previous drawings. The international postage rates are highway robbery. So, sis, if you're watching, thanks very much for this MRE, the Frooze Balls, and the Marmite. And I'll be sure and try that. I don't have any preconceptions about what it tastes like, except I know that men at work sang about somebody making them a Vegemite sandwich, and I guess that would be similar to putting this on some bread. It says you've loved it for over 100 years. It's got iron, vitamins, folate, and 100% vegetarian. I was just reading the label. So, Marmite. Marmite. There it is, Marmite. Okay, so that's just unboxing of what came to me in the mail from my sister in New Zealand. And we will be making a taste test with this New Zealand 24-hour food pack in the near future. Apple Stump Bushcraft Stuff and Things, wishing you a fine weekend. Hope you're happy, busy, camping outdoors, doing what makes you smile. Be safe out there, and we'll see you next time. Adios.